tough one is intense.
The big battle.
It's relentless, absolute killer.
And it's hell.
It begins with a real tough run from the bottom of the quarry up to the bikes, which is around 200 metres. Doesn't sound difficult, but when you've got a camelback, tool belts with batteries for the helmet lights, you've got big boots on, it's tough. The main start point of the lap is up on the top of the quarry, which is cross-country going, and then when you drop into the quarry, that's when the hell really starts. You've got the route of all evil, we've got the half hour of hell, which is through the original boulder dash, and the biggest thing that we have here is ice. Ice is going to be a problem, it's going to be slippy, it's going to be real difficult. There is a clock at the finish, it counts down from 2.5 hours. You look at the clock and there's still 1.5 hours to go, and it's enough to break most riders. You've got to keep working towards what you want, which is ultimately to stand on that tough one podium.
And it comes round now.
I was about third off the start, and then after the first lap, pulled to the front, and then didn't look back. When it turned dark, it was just, really couldn't see up the hill, so just a gamble, yeah. It was harder than I thought in the dark. It's an awesome feeling. It's the first time on a fluke, so good to get a second win.
Everybody else has got in that race and everyone else has got fast.